Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a brave little cat named Deathstroke. He was not a scary cat, but a kind and gentle feline with a strong heart. Every day, Deathstroke would venture out into the world, exploring the meadows and forests, always on the lookout for adventures. One day, he found a small bird with a broken wing, unable to fly. Deathstroke knew he couldn't let the bird suffer. He gently picked it up with his paw and carried it back to his house. With his owner's help, Deathstroke cared for the bird until it was well enough to fly again. The bird, grateful for Deathstroke's help, decided to repay him. Every night, the bird would sing a beautiful song that filled the house with warmth and comfort. The song was so soothing, it helped Deathstroke and his owner sleep peacefully. One night, Deathstroke heard a loud noise outside. He went to investigate and found a group of mean cats bullying a smaller one. Deathstroke, remembering the bird's help, stood tall and bravely chased away the bullies. From that day on, Deathstroke became the protector of all small creatures in his neighborhood. He taught the other cats that kindness and bravery are the most important traits a cat can have. And so, Deathstroke the brave little cat continued his adventures, always ready to help those in need. His story served as a reminder that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. As the sun set, Deathstroke would often sit by the window, listening to the bird's nightly song. He knew it was a song of gratitude, a song that celebrated friendship and bravery. And as he closed his eyes, Deathstroke would feel a sense of peace and happiness, knowing he had made a difference in the world. The end.